He saw I saw him in APEC with my trip fan. I call her, I go, my name is Robert. She's like, no, you're not. I'm like, my birthday.
This is Without Venice. Please share with your friends, family. Subscribe to the channel. Press the like button. Leave your comment. Kelly just brought the board, you know. Gonna be a prize, you know. The raffle.
Every time I touch the reality, just slow down so I'm not searching for something in my
And we thank you for Dakota. We thank you for his life that shines your name upon him, and that you have rescued him, have given him life. Lord, we are so blessed and we're so grateful for him. I pray that you bless him this time. God, I pray that your name will be glorified through him, and that all glory is yours.
Mr. Kelly here, Baby Bear. All the boys here, hanging out after the concert.
It's almost better sometimes, because with these, it's like, I feel like it like gets in and stays, yeah, it's just dripping down. I don't know, I can't remember the Jonah. Do you need help with anything? I misread that fucking thing. I was like, I just killed myself. I stalled wrong and it came up in front of you with no speed. I'm like, I'm gonna get a quick sweatshirt. You don't gotta help, man. You don't gotta help. You don't have to help if you want to get back home and get warm. I've got a sweatshirt again. Wait, you dropped it in half? I dropped in over base, you dropped in behind us, and him from behind us. You got the class problem.
stuck.
Just stuck one in a big way.
Hands down, my favorite wave of my life up to this date, and probably forever, is going to be the 50-point ride I got in this year's event yesterday, because that sealed my fate as the winner. So proud. Just to be an Eddie Aikau winner in itself, take everything else away, whatever to come from it. Personally, that's something that I could die happy with.
You know the words, we sing along. It's